This girl is beautiful, right? Ask her if she's married.
Hey, keep quiet.
Sir, you haven't added annual income.
You can mention 3 lakhs.
Make it 5 lakhs, dear. Okay. What should be the age of a girl, ma'am? My son is 26 years old. Then the girl may be 22 or below 22 is also fine. Okay. Is it, dear?
Yes.
Will you ask her or not?
Please wait, I'll ask before leaving.
How do you expect the girl to be, ma'am? Girl should be fair and beautiful. And height should be 5 or 5'4" is fine. Okay, ma'am. She should be able to take care of my son in a good way. Not like these modern girls. Maybe some family type girls.
Oh,
Okay, ma'am.
You can mention all these things in computer.
Will you keep quiet? Will you ask or let me ask her? Will you?
Please be quiet.
How much should be girl earning according to you? No need. She doesn't have to go to work. My son is working though, right? Okay, ma'am. I have registered here. Please collect your ID and password in reception. Pay the amount and collect it. Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Is it?
Yeah?
Okay.
Hello? I'll
Are
look
you
into it.
married, dear? Yes, ma'am. Love marriage.
Woo!
Coffee. Switched on the geyser. It will take half an hour.
Huh?
Hey, wear the
Already
shoes
I'm
and
late
go.
because of you. I can't sit and wear the shoes, ma.
Hey, how will you go without wearing the shoes?
Give it.
Wear
How
it.
can I carry this?
Oh my god. Will anyone keep the shoes in the bag?
Hey.
Hey, stop it. Good morning, Shri sir.
Good morning, sister. I'm a bit late. Okay.
Hey, when did you come?
I just came and sat and you came, dude. Morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
She hit herself. Sad, no?
Oh.
Shri,
Huh?
it's late. You can leave.
Sir. It'll be done, sir. You carry on.
Hey, why are you saying this showing the window?
That is also window. This is also window.
Oh. Window, window. Hey, it's super, man. It's very funny, huh?
Mm-hmm. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Calling you only. Bro, college is over.
Okay.
Satish, did you ask who kept this cupboard here?
Hey, I've informed the boss. Why are you eating my head since morning? Sir, not you, sir. It's about the small cupboard.
Where do you
Excuse
guys
me,
even
sir.
come from? What, Shri?
Sir, it's very hot there, sir. I asked you to move that cupboard somewhere, no?
Oh, Shri, is this even an issue?
Uh,
Go, Shri, someone will come. You can actually look after your work.
Cupboard! Cupboard is here.
He only.
Come over. Please,
Okay,
see.
sir,
This is the
okay,
one.
okay.
Move it.
Move it. Come.
Shri. Hey, Shri.
Wait, ma.
Hey, come down.
Wait, ma. I'm updating status. Simply. What, ma?
Give this to Tangaraj and get hemming done. Go.
Hmm.
What is this stitching? I have asked you for
Oh.
half inch and you have done it for
She's
1 inch.
actually
I
getting on
asked
my
you for
nerves.
U neck and you did V neck. We gave you trusting you, right? Listen, I
yes,
cannot give you
ma'am.
100 rupees. I can only give you 80 rupees.
Hey,
This
hey.
is more than enough.
Hey, it's 100. Hey. Pay me 100, not 80. You need U-neck. Next time I'll do A-neck. Look here, bro. I did try a new design for her. It looked very sexy. How can she even understand? How much blouses did your mother give? She wants you, it seems. Am I doing censorship over here? Why is he even looking at the mobile so much? What, bro? For all your status I've liked, you know that, right? Ah, for how many days will you keep doing the same thing? Now there's a new application called Tinder. There are beautiful girls over there. If you like her, we can invite her. If you don't like her, we can skip her. Even I'm thinking of installing the app. What? Why can't you try that?
Bro. Go, bro.
Then you're still stalking the girl who's in the opposite building, huh? Then why don't you talk to her?
If same office I would have spoken.
Okay.
She's from neighbor office.
Ah.
See the distance?
So, you can't even say hello. Look here. You can wave like, hi. Hello. Something like that, brother. Huh?
Hi and all I can tell. I'll tell tomorrow only.
That's my bro. Hey, I forgot to tell you. Yesterday I watched football. Parsi in 20 minutes, 1 goal. Outstanding. Messi in midfield. He scored a beautiful goal.
Oh my God. Should come by now.
Okay, I'll help you. Ask me if you have any doubts. Do well.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah. Satish, that girl. Who's that girl?
New joinee.
Carry on.
I know, man. You go work.
Are you looking for me? Are you looking for me? Are you looking for me? Are you looking for me?
Should work hard.
Looking for me? Are you looking for me?
Satish, can't you see that she's cleaning there and you're walking on it? You will know the value if you clean it.
Sir, it has already been dried, sir.
You be quiet, Shanti. Satish, you go and do your work. Keep going. Irresponsible idiot.
So what? Let them do whatever they want. Still, it shouldn't be done like that.
As a team leader, nobody can question me, you know.
I should also
Satish.
meet them.
Come here.
What,
yeah,
dude?
my previous
Get me a
employee
juice.
was just right the building.
I didn't understand.
Should I repeat the same thing twice and thrice for you? Go and get the juice.
Yeah.
Don't make me shout, please.
What's happening?
Hey, but how is it possible? We should just try to understand.
Hey, it's really
Yeah, of course.
Satish, come here. Give it. What the hell is this? It's completely wrong. Go rework on it. Go from here.
When I was carrying the file which you wanted, Sri sir pulled it and checked it and told me you have done the wrong work and told you to do rework
Me?
and throw away the papers. I don't know why, sir. You should only ask him. Thank you, sir.
Come to my cabin.
It's not working out. Charles.
Hmm?
Come here. Charles, I'll dance, you shoot it. Music.
Pops, I'm cooking now. Do you need something?
I don't need anything. Hey, tonight I'm going out. Come here. Look at this.
I will also come.
Are you looking for me? 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 Are you looking for me?
What?
May I come in? Satish,
What, man?
can you ask and tell her name? I think it starts with S, bro.
Oh God, please, Sri, let me work. You also don't work
Hey,
and won't let
Satish,
me also
don't
work.
shout.
I don't know
Don't
why you
shout.
people come to office. Instead of doing work, all kind of activities who does, it's only you. Very odd behavior.
You. Nobody's there.
Sindhuja.
Hands up. Your badge is stuck inside. So I was
What's your name?
Shri. Shri Kumar.
Hello.
Hello. Let me search. Sindhuja Palani Sami. What it could be? Let's try. Sindhuja Joseph. No.
Shri, look at here. Hotel Million's dosa.
You only know this. Give it.
Huh.
Hello.
Hi, this is Sindhuja here.
Who's it?
I don't know. Who's that? What to do now? Mom, I'll simply take a walk till Tangraj house, Mom.
Why now? Dad is cooking dosa. Eat and sleep.
Okay, I can eat and then go.
Shri, look at here. This is a very special dosa. Have a look.
Enough, Pa. My stomach is full.
Hey, wait. It's a large dosa. It's in the heart shape.
My stomach is hurting.
Number you are trying to reach is currently switched off.
Hi, Sindhu. Hello. Hi. Sindhu? Hi, Sindhu. Ja,
Hi.
I think you called me yesterday. Sorry, I was a bit busy. Anything important, Sindhu? Ja?
Nothing much. It's a new office, no? I thought I'll mingle with someone. I thought of going to a party this weekend.
Okay.
But it's okay. Satish said he'll come.
Which Satish?
That guy.
Hey, you're teasing me too much. I also tease you. You want me to do it? Hey.
Why did you pick her call?
Why didn't you pick up?
I was busy,
I
yeah.
was not busy, man.
Don't talk like this.
I will talk like that only. She called me. How can I say no?
Hey, if we both go, it'll be nice, yeah. Please understand. I'll fall onto your feet.
Hey! Sorry.
Sorry, yeah.
Leave. I'll talk to Sindhu.
What should I do? Give it to me. Send this message to her. The reason is, according to women, men should start a conversation. Now do this. Then you can see the reply to that message. Then you can wake me up. I've done my work. Oh God.
Save me.
Hey, how's that? We can do one thing. Bro.
Huh?
Sister is calling me. I'll go have my dinner. Did you have?
I had you go and come.
Do that work. I'll be back soon. Hey, why is he sitting like that? What happened, bro?
No reply, bro.
Oh, not yet received.
Hmm.
Give that to me. Now look at my messages. Hold it. We should not show that we are free. But we are free only. Leave that. You type. Confidence. Bro, don't add extra things. Send that. What is your
Send.
problem? You're not even respecting me. Huh?
Bro,
Huh?
I got a reply.
I told you. Now don't use WhatsApp for 3 months. She'll keep on messaging you, huh? Show that message to me.
She's asking me if I don't want to talk to her.
Don't tell her that. Send her something else. I thought you were busy, but I am. Tomorrow, should I open my shop or not? I'll sleep here itself. Hey,
I got it.
super! I told you right. I know girl psychology. From now on, you'll get messages. Show me what she has sent. Any heart symbol. What is that, man? Yeah. Very good. Keep that down.
Hello, Pops. Did you take the car?
Yeah.
Should have informed me, no?
Sorry, Charles.
Okay.
Have you washed your vehicle? Look at its condition. It's covered by dust.
Hi.
Hi, Shri. Where are you?
At home.
Can you pick me up?
Sure.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Hi. Have a seat. Good day. Yes. Hey, Satish.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry, Sindhu. Tomorrow I cannot come to the party.
Hey, come on. It will be fun.
I know.
I'll punch your face. Tell her.
Sorry, Sindhu. Family commitment.
Okay.
He's loving her or not? I don't know what to do. Shit.
You wanna come?
Where?
Stop acting. Tomorrow evening, 7 o'clock.
Yes. Let's work. Brother. Hey, brother. Brother.
What?
You wear a blazer to the college, right? The black color one. Can you please give me that?
I need it for college, man.
Just for one night, that's all. Night, you don't have college, right? I take it and give it before you go to college.
It will not fit you. It is too large.
It's okay, somehow I'll adjust it, dude. Please, please, dude. I'm pleading you. Brother, I'll come up and take it. Brother, please, brother. Thanks, dude. Yes.
It looks like a garbage man's coat. Is it a blazer or jerkin? Bro, simple matter. We will fix it. We can actually fix it for your party. We can do it.
A coat is it? It'll tear soon.
Hey.
Hi. Hey, what are you doing? My blazer, please. Hey.
Remove that button. Fold your sleeve. Tuck out your shirt.
Tuck out.
Let's get in. Hey, hi. Sam, one vodka shot.
Sure.
What do you want?
I'll go with juice.
Juice? You don't booze?
No.
What? No. What's wrong in drinking?
Hey, I didn't say it's wrong. You can.
Cheers. One more.
Sure.
Hey, tell me about yourself.
I born and brought up here only. Schooling from SMGV. And then college from...
Hey, wait. I'm not taking your interview. Do you like the song?
I don't like it so much, but I like it.
What? What's your sun sign?
Leo.
Guessed it right. Leo sun and my sun doesn't match at all.
Hello, Leo is good. Why are you telling like this? What is yours?
I don't know.
Tell me your date of birth.
I don't know.
Don't know means?
I'll know if my father tell me no. He doesn't know his date of birth only. Only my mother knows when I was born. She passed away when I was a toddler.
Oh. I'm sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Let's dance.
Take it.
Stop being a kid and finish this.
No. Don't want, yeah.
You will drink this or not?
See, you tell me anything else, I'll do it. But not alcohol.
You'll do whatever I say? Go and propose that girl.
Don't want, yeah. Simply it'll be an issue.
Then drink this.
Okay, wait.
Yes.
I love you.
What?
Mama! Now I'll tell you. Will you do it?
What should I do?
Same thing. You should propose.
Okay. Whom should I?
Propose me. You can't give reasons. You should do. Otherwise, same punishment. She chose this.
Now it's my turn.
Sindhu, I think you're in anger. Let's stop the game here. What is she saying?
There's a guy with a black shirt. Go hit him and come.
After party, maybe.
Why?
I don't like his face. Trash his face.
No, yeah. We should not hit and all. It's wrong.
What? Are you scared?
People call me I'm a hitter. Yes, I'm a boxer. He's alone. I should hit him.
Enough.
Hello. Oh. No fights and all, bro. It was my mistake, bro.
Hey, catch him, man.
Sindhu, come, let's
Come,
go.
come,
Sindhu,
come, have
Sindhu,
caught
let's
him,
go.
come.
Leave me. Sindhu,
Hey, catch him.
Catch him.
hey, give me space, space. What are you sitting and laughing here?
Hey, don't leave him, man. Catch him.
Hey,
guys,
stop it.
man. Hello, give me space. Oh my God,
stop,
blocking my
Catch
way.
him. Stop him.
Hey, don't run. Stop.
Hey,
Hey,
Catch him, man.
sorry.
Catch him.
Oh my God, I came here. Hey, don't shout, please. They can hear us from outside. Please, slow down. Shh.
Not bad. You dared to hit him?
Just for you.
Oh. You will do whatever I say, is it?
Even if you don't say, I do it.
Bah. What a punch.
I'm seriously telling you.
You will respect everybody like this only.
Yes.
Hereafter, you should call me Sindhu.
Okay.
Right now.
Okay, I'll call.
I asked you to do it now.
Sindhu.
Once more.
Sindhu.
Can I say you something? I like.
Hi. Hey, Charles. Who's this guy?
Pops is my colleague. He's a gentleman. Very interesting character. If you meet this fellow, you will also like him.
Today I'm free only. Let me meet him today.
Sure, Pops?
Yes, Charles.
Tell me, Sindhu.
My dad wants to meet you. Can you come by evening?
I'll come.
Okay, see you soon. Bye.
Okay, bye. Dad, your lunch.
Come.
Okay, bye.
Wait for some time. I'll finish this food. Then you can take it with you.
Okay.
Dear, don't mistake me. I wanted to ask you something.
Tell me, Dad.
Are you in love with someone?
Nothing like that, Dad.
You know about your mother really well. She's very emotional. Apart from that, being in love does not suit our family. It's just, I wanted to tell this, and I told you.
Sindhu. Sorry, Sindhu. I couldn't come last night. Sindhu.
You can leave.
No, it's okay.
It's getting late.
I'll wait and drop you.
Hey, 1 minute. Stop.
Why?
I have a sore throat. Can you get me Halls?
Okay.
Along with that, if you need anything, you can get it. You didn't buy anything?
No, nothing. Sit.
My father is not home today. If I go late, also no problem. If you need anything, go get it.
Hey, what is there for me to buy here? After dropping you in, I should buy idli. Come, let's go. I don't know if I get this special moment again. I love you.
What?
I love you, Sindhuja.
Stop kidding, Shri.
Hey, Sindhu. What happened?
I thought we were just friends.
Friends? Sindhu, I like you from many days. In fact, I'm seeing you even before you joined this company.
Shit.
Why shit? I didn't understand why all these then.
All this was just a heat of the moment, just a casual thing. You kissed me first. You wanted to close the lift. You seduced me. You tempted me to do it. Why did you do all this?
Because I love you, Sindhu.
Stop saying that, Shri. I don't love you.
Please, Sindhu. I'll take good care of you. I will never make you cry. I will not even scold you. For lifelong, I will look after you very nicely. It's my promise, Sindhu. Please try to understand me, Sindhu.
Shri, look at me. You stop crying first. You're a very nice guy. I really felt comfortable with you. I really like you. But I don't love you, Shri.
Then why did you tell that in pub?
Didn't get you. What did I tell?
That day when we were hiding in the bathroom, you tried to tell I like you. Tell me, Sindhu.
I was saying I like your innocence. Okay, let's talk like adults. This happened because we lost the control on ourselves. But because of this silly mistake, we shouldn't lose our friendship. We can still be good friends, Shri. Shri. Wait until it stops raining.
Hey. She's not even a woman, man. After getting physical, how can she dump you? She'll be cursed.
Scold her nicely.
I'll abuse her more. How can I respect her? If I get... She only knows how to seduce men using lipstick, makeup and everything just to smile. She played with your emotions. Tell me, man.
Enough, brother.
Hey.
My
No, man.
anger is reduced now.
Hey. Hey.
Brother, but she's a good girl.
A surgical mask, and in America, that would tell us something is wrong. But in Japan, that's not uncommon at all. If you catch a cold, as a courtesy to everybody else, you wear a mask until you're cold.
I got you. Stupid. What, Charles? Today you lost to me? Hmm? What happened? You look disturbed.
When you were out of town, I brought Shri home. First time I'm regretting for what I did, Pop. But he said he loves me.
What about you? Huh? It's become so easy, right?
No, Pops, actually.
Hey. I didn't expect this from you. Look here. It may be normal to you, but people like him, they'll give their life for love. Without knowing his intentions, you made a mistake now. First you go and apologize to him. Let's go.
Ooh.
Friends are
Satish,
best.
tell them I took off today. Actually,
Let's be friends. Mom, reports have come. You be here. I'll go and talk to the doctor.
Okay, dear.
Hey, hi, Shri.
My mom.
Hi, auntie.
She is my colleague mom.
Who has come with patient Sudha?
Coming. Mom, be here.
Come sit down, dear. What is your name?
Sindhuja, auntie. What happened, auntie? Why are you here?
Nothing, dear. This boy wanted me to get full health checkup.
Oh, okay.
Why are you here, dear?
I came to see my friend, auntie.
Oh. What office is this? I see he's upset from few days. Is it pressurizing in office? Look at him. He's so depressed. He must be taking so much of responsibility. He doesn't disobey his boss. You take care of him, dear.
Yeah, sure, auntie.
Thank you, dear.
Okay, I'll make a move, auntie.
Okay, dear.
Pops, you still awake?
That I should ask.
Good night.
Good night.
It's been many days since I've had chicken pakoda.
Pack me 100 grams of chicken kebab.
Aha.
Bro, I'll quietly get married to a girl which they see at home.
Oh. You haven't forgotten that girl?
Nothing like that. I forgot her, bro.
Huh?
Nothing like that. I forgot her, bro.
Eat your chicken pakoda. Eat that boneless. It's really good.
Bro, she's only calling me.
Why is she calling while eating? Put it down.
1 minute, bro.
Hey,
I'll ask and come,
hey.
okay?
I'll take this boneless chicken, huh? Tell me, what does she want?
Tomorrow, she's asking you to take her out, brother.
You told her you won't go, right?
No, bro. She's
Huh.
talking somewhat differently.
Like what? Like how she seduced that day, huh? Look here. When it comes to girls, we should never trust her. We should completely ignore her. You should not go, I swear on this chicken. She'll call and this
Bro.
guy will go, it seems.
I'll go and ask what it is.
Hey. Go and die. But you should not lose your respect.
Huh.
And in the same way, you should not trust her.
Huh, yeah.
Huh? Eat.
Brother, it's enough for
Hey,
me. You eat.
hey,
Take
eat
it.
that boneless
Bye,
chicken.
brother.
It's really good. Hey, I don't have the money. Sir, I'll wash the plates. Huh?
Where to go?
Anywhere.
Mayajal?
No. Somewhere very far. Lonely place.
Okay. I'll increase the speed. Hold me tight. Sorry. You don't hold me, right? Ah!
Shall we leave?
Let the rain stop.
It stopped, you know.
Is it stopped? Hey! Okay. Let's go.
No. It's still raining. What?
Hey, crab.
Go.
See, there is one more. I think it's everywhere. Hey. What are you doing? Sindhu, no. I'm very scared of from childhood. Hey! No, Sindhu, no! Sindhu!
See this? It's not for a bite.
No,
Come on, see
Sindhu,
this.
Sindhu, I'm scared.
Open your eyes.
No, Sindhu, I don't like crabs. Sindhu, please, no.
Let's go for a walk.
Okay.
Shri,
Huh? What?
nothing.
No, it's okay. Tell me. You called me to tell something only, right? Tell me.
I'm sorry
Why?
for everything. I wanted to ask you very long back. That's why I asked you to come.
What else?
Nothing much. But I like you.
As a friend? This is also casual only, right? Get lost. These girls, everything they'll do, it seems. What is everything? That only. But that is not called love. Simply casual. We are not grown up like the way how you are. Oh, for loving you, I should punish my... No. You only hit me. Simply casually hit me. It's okay, you can hit me. I told you hit me.
Yeah, of course. It was a casual. You loved me like that only, right? You had just an infatuation on me. According to you, if you were from a cultured family, you wouldn't have spoken about all this in front of everyone. What is that love? Huh? Who are you trying to fool? You can think I'm that cheap character girl. If you didn't know my character, why did you love me? Huh? He's telling now that I did everything with him. What is that everything? Just sex? He can't even use that word. That's your maturity level, Chi. I tried talking to you yesterday, but I couldn't. Today also, somehow I thought I'll tell you that I love you. But now,
प्यार प्रेम कादल प्यार प्रेम कादल प्यार प्रेम कादल प्यार प्रेम
made a mistake, bro. I shouldn't have done that.
We were together only, no?
Whatever it is. I should not have spoken like that in front of so many people.
Where did you do it, man?
What I have on her, it's not infatuation. It's pure love only.
How many times you did it?
That day in office.
At office? At office, what?
Hey!
What? Tell me.
I should meet her and apologize, dude.
Even after what you did, do you think she'll come to the office again? Never.
I've got so much to say.
Good morning, guys.
Conflicts from June to May. Even if
Hey,
I try
good
to
morning.
leave, you'll find the words to make me stay. This relationship's not the same. Tell me, boy, am I just a game? You never
Hey,
hold me
Satish.
in your
Good
arms
morning.
and say you like my name.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can I change my cabin?
You can do it.
Thank you.
Hey,
Hmm.
what happened?
She is not even looking at my face, man.
Relax. I'll go and talk to her. Morning. Hi, Sindhu. It happens. As you're not speaking to him, he's feeling very sad. Don't take him so seriously. Take it easy. You know what? Life is all about moving, eh?
Get lost. How does it feel, Satish?
Not sounding good.
Please.
Satish, what did she say?
One, two, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, good. Keep dancing. Yes. Good. Yeah. Stretch yourself. Yeah, good. Yeah, nice move.
Where is she? She's coming. We've been waiting for you. Come, sit down. Guys, ready? Let's go for the presentation.
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
sure.
It's my mistake. I never said no. But give me a chance, Sindhu.
Sir, what is this?
Hey, Shri. Change the slide.
Sir, it was my mistake. I'm not trying to escape out of it. That day I didn't understand her love. In front of so many people, I insulted her and I acted so bad, and I accept that. That day, in front of who it all happened, and in front of them only, I'm trying to correct this mistake, sir. Sindhu, please, I'm sorry.
Enough, sir. I'm leaving.
Hey, sit. Shri, what is this? Start the work.
Sorry, sir.
It's better you watch your own business.
I expected.
Sorry, guys. Sindhu, I want to talk to you, please. Sindhu, please, please.
Hey, get
Sindhu,
out.
please listen
Get
to me,
out.
Sindhu. Sindhu, please. I'll just take 1 minute. I'll tell you and go. I won't tell you that I didn't realize what I spoke. I spoke what was inside me. Definitely, I would not have spoken like that. First time I had a drink, Sindhu. That triggered my emotions. I'm not asking everything to get normal. At least, if you tell me you've forgiven me, that's enough. Please.
Shiva, it's been a while since I've seen you. Hey, come to this place, man. Let us have a drink. Will you come in this week? Hey, don't forget. I'll be waiting for you. Come, okay? What, bro? Spinner Shiva, my friend. He's from my area, from childhood. Cricket friend. I'll tell you about him. One day, there was a tournament. During his bowling, he was actually bashed by all the batsmen. But he did not give up. In the following week, hat-trick. Are you thinking how? New approach. Did you get it, bro? That was spin bowling. As per my knowledge, spin bowling was founded by my friend Spinning Shiva. So you guys actually taking all the credits?
1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, stop. Charles.
Yeah, Pops.
Yeah, Charles. Shoot this moment. Ready? 1, 2, music.
Hey, what are you doing here? Who asked you to come here?
Charles, why are you using singular words? He's my student.
Pops, you know who is this?
It's Ray only, no. Look here. Keep your personals outside. Now, please. What, baby? Do you have a problem?
Not at all.
Hey, go on.
Didn't you see what happened to Jack in Titanic? You will also end like that.
Hey! You can say I love you, right?
Papa,
Yeah, Papa.
let's take our relationship to the next level.
We have done everything already, right?
I'm talking about the serious stuff. What are you thinking? Living?
Marriage?
Did you say marriage?
You said live in.
No way. Don't do this, Shri.
Hey, what did I do? Why all this live in and all?
Live and da. Just imagine and see. It's only both of us. We can live together. We'll spend the nights together. Even if we fight, it's between us, in our own house. You'll always be close to me.
For that only people get married, right? Living on why required now?
Okay, let's start again. You loved me.
Huh.
Then only you realized that I live casually with everyone. Then, because you loved me, should I love everyone?
Uh-huh.
So, just because you married me, I've been casual to everyone. Can you live with me?
Uh-huh.
So, we should try living. You should know me better, no?
Hey, I know everything about you. I don't have any doubts, Sinduja.
But I have. I want to know you better.
Hey, what happened? Why are you talking like this? I need some time.
Tell me ASAP.
Listen, dear. Look at this. Isn't she your aunt?
Ah, it's my aunt only. Hey, Shri, look at her grandfather.
Look at this, dear.
Is it your wedding photo?
Mm.
What, mom? You are so lean.
When I was young, I used to look like a Miss World.
Dad looks little weak.
Everyone tells the same thing. I saw your dad when he was tying knot to me, you know. At that time, what could I have done? I married.
Shri, who is beautiful now? Tell that. Look at her now. The grey hairs are visible.
How do you do the spin, master?
Very simple. For this music, at a time lift both your legs.
Pops, Shri didn't make it to class.
No dear, from few days it didn't come. Charles, everything all right?
Yeah, Pops.
Okay.
Bro, are you talking about leaving?
What, sir? You're telling like this?
Bro, tell something, man.
According to me, my tailoring and her thinking are unauthentic, I think. I feel that actually.
Sri, sir, please don't take me wrong. This is not good, I say.
Please, da. Brother.
87. I can't say that wrong. 88. I can't even say it right.
Oh God.
People talk nonsense around you. Why do you want this?
Tell something, man.
For the first time, even I don't know what to answer for this question.
Out.
If you ask me, I will say no, sir.
Brother.
All this happens in our college only.
Hi.
Hi.
You'll push me off from the lift.
Satish, I'll go to washroom and come,
Hey,
man.
go wherever you want, man.
Hey, it's men's
What?
washroom.
Can't you answer my calls? You're ignoring me, right? You have that much guts, huh? After all this, you're trying to escape from me. I'll leak all the private photos of us.
Hey, nothing like that, Sindhu. I was thinking about it.
Please, Shri. I can't live without you. I miss you. I really enjoyed the Munnar trip. You were always there with me. What's there to think about it?
Okay, fine. Let's plan.
Sir, are you done?
Hey, Sindhu.
Hi.
Oh, she came.
Late. Take your seat. Mr. Tangraj. He's everything to me.
Hey, what, bro? Is this important?
Hi.
Hey, greet her.
So, now the matter is,
Ah.
at home they don't even know what is live-in is.
If they get to know, they'll hit you with slippers.
True, bro.
Thanks.
But you like live-in and I like you. So, let me explain the plan. You guys ready?
Ready?
Good. Listen, this is my house. Little away from there, one house is vacant and this is where we're gonna live in. Satish has to get this right.
Jojo.
Huh?
Every day while coming from office, I'll drop in near the house and I go to my house. That's when Tangraj brother will call in front of my
Bro.
mom and
Loudspeaker.
thanks bro. In loudspeaker,
Ah.
he'll talk about training me
Ah.
as a tailor.
1 minute. That loudspeaker. My plan.
Oh.
Tell.
So keeping this as a reason, I'll come back and stay with you in that house. And for dinner, I'll go back to house. And when everybody sleeps, from back door, I'll come to your house. And by the time my mom wakes up, I'll be there. So I'll be with you also. And also I'll be with my parents.
In simple words, need to work like slave.
Exactly, bro.
I know, bro.
Guys, plan is little complicated. But if you guys support us, possible. LHS equal to RHS.
Okay, bro. Hey, 1 second. Hey, what is that, Jojo? Huh? Hey, what is this? You tell, bro.
Sindhu, did you understand the plan?
Okay.
Then plan is success. Hey.
Can I boil the milk?
Hey, hurry up. Don't be late.
Sindhu, come. You light it.
Hey. Go, man. Always behind.
Tangaraju bro,
Huh?
please do the honor.
Huh? Me?
Brother, come, brother.
Come, bro.
It's okay,
Hey.
come. You light it.
Yeah. If you want, I'll ask her sorry.
Sorry. Why?
I abused her that day.
Bro, she doesn't even know about it. You light it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Jojo.
She's a nice girl, bro. I was actually wrong.
Thank you, bro.
Bye. Bye.
See ya. Bye. When did Satish and other people leave? They didn't even tell.
Hey,
Yeah, yes.
have fun.
Master.
Have fun.
Thank you, Master. Bye.
It's not big to start off a live-in life. You should see to it how it works out. All the best.
Okay, Master.
See you.
Bye. If my mom and dad had come, it would have been nicer.
I'm here for you, no? Shri,
Mm.
if there was a lift in this building, it would be nice, no?
Mm.
It should just be like our office lift. It would be really romantic.
Mm.
Once in a while, if it gets stuck, it would be nice, no? Hmm?
Mm. Hey. Hey. Hey, stop. Sindhu, Sindhu, don't run. Sindhu, hey. Oh God, it's so late.
Sri dear. We are getting late. What is this? You doing exercise?
Mom, enough, Mom.
What enough? Just shut up and eat.
Fine, don't I eat? Good morning. I want good food.
You didn't like it?
Hey, no. My stomach is full.
Hereafter, eat less at your home.
Hey. What? Hey.
Sorry. Guys, plumbing work going on in toilet. Nobody should go there, okay?
Hello?
Tell bro.
Have you switched on loudspeaker, bro?
Oh. Tell me, bro.
When are you coming to the tailoring class? Timing is very important. Come fast.
I'll come. Don't be angry,
Come as
bro.
soon as possible.
What class?
Our Tangraj, bro, Mom. Anyways, I'm bored at home. Daily I'm planning to go, Mom. I will also learn. Bye, Mom.
Listen, he learnt it from me itself. What will that fellow teach you? I'm wondering.
Shri,
Hmm?
what's your dream?
I didn't get any such dreams.
In life, what's your dream?
I don't have any such.
Okay, carry on.
Okay. Tell me, what's your dream?
I want to open a restaurant in LA.
Why restaurant?
I love cooking. And it's a very big business, you know. A restaurant in LA and a villa there. It's my dream. I'm saving money for it.
Did you name the restaurant?
I've been thinking about it. Not able to find a name.
SS Restaurant?
What's that?
Shri, Sindhu, how's it? How's it? Hmm?
You really don't have any dream?
I should look after my mother. That's all.
That's not dream. Responsibility.
Whatever. Okay, what is LA? Loose angles. This only. Sindhu, let's go.
I'll be late today.
Okay, I'll wait.
No, you leave. Cook something. I'm really hungry. I'll come in cab.
Okay, fine.
Bye. Didn't you water the plants? You didn't cook?
No, Sindhu. I had some work. I went outside. I'll cook now.
I told you, right? I'm really hungry now. Why are you doing this?
Hey, why are you shouting now? Come, let's go eat outside.
I'm tired. You could have better cooked.
You go and fresh up and come. I'll wait down. Let's go.
Hey, stop there.
Not there. There's a new restaurant open nearby. Let's go there.
Anyway, just stop there.
Come, close by only.
What
1 minute,
happened?
get down.
What happened?
Fuel is over.
I told you no. Let's stop there only. Why are you doing this? Can't you make sure you have a fuel in the bike? Are you a kid?
Shh, don't
You
shout.
ride the bike or me?
Why
How
are
should
you
we go
shouting
from
like
here
this?
now? Huh? All this wouldn't have happened if we had dinner in the house. Why are you doing this? It's so irritating. Nowadays, you're so irresponsible. I don't know what to do with you.
I went and asked your dad, where did you born? I went near that hospital, but that is closed 10 years back. 1 week I was in search of it. I found out the owner of that hospital and asked about the doctor who did the delivery to your mom, Dr. Jayashitra. Now she is 91 years old. She said hospital documents are in Hyderabad. I took another 10 days to search for those documents, and then after seeing the documents only I'm speaking. In about 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Sindhu. Exactly in this moment, you were born here only. You told me when I asked that only your mom knows about your birth timing. Now I also know that. I'll be there with you forever.
Hey, what are you doing here? It's time. Leave. Hey, Sudha, they called me. It's already late.
Yeah, I'm coming, dear.
Please be fast.
Hello, Sindhu. I'll come by afternoon. You go to office.
Why? What happened?
Nothing. I'm just going out somewhere. That's why.
Where are you going?
I'll tell you. But don't be angry. At home, they're taking me to see the bride. My mom suddenly arranged this. She has told them that they will be coming today. So I have to go today.
Okay, come fast, okay?
Huh? Uh-huh. What? You just disconnected? Oh, you're not angry?
You're going to say no there, no?
Mm-hmm. If I like, I'll say yes to her.
Go ahead. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, isn't the girl pretty? Why did you reject her?
I didn't like her, that's all.
Hey, in order to find that girl, your mother struggled a lot.
What do you want me to do now? You called me, so I came.
Hey, what is wrong with you?
Dear, if he doesn't like, leave it. Let us see the girl he likes.
Hi. What? After seeing your face, I think that girl rejected you.
Dude, I heard about it. I'm very happy. Don't forget to give the invitation, okay?
Congrats, Sri. When is your marriage?
All that is going to happen.
Will you shut your mouth? It's not funny, Sindhuja. I know how much my mom is struggling. It's all because of you.
Because of me? What did I do?
Leave it, please.
No, tell me, Shri, what did I do?
Can we get married? Sindhu, stop. You have anything more to know about me? What else you want to know? Tell me.
Just leave it. This is office.
What is the problem in getting married to me? Just for you, I'm cheating my mom and dad.
Dare you talk about me once again? I'll kill you. What? You feel frustrated to live with me? You're not doing this as a favor to me. You also liked it, no?
For that only I'm pleading with you like this. But don't take it as an advantage. Will you marry me or not?
I'm not ready for marriage.
But why?
Because I don't feel like. I really need to concentrate on my dreams. Now you'll marry me because your mother asked, and tomorrow they'll ask me for a grandkid and you'll say yes. I'm not ready for it. In spite of leading such a life, it's better to be a single woman. We don't even own a house. Why should we do things which we're not ready for? Plus, if there is a kid in our life, we need to sacrifice everything. What about my dream? Shouldn't I live for myself?
Why, Sindhu, you're being so selfish? You also think about my life.
I'm also telling you to live for yourself. Don't destroy your life for your mom's sake.
I know how to live my life. Don't show off that you're so concerned about me. She's talking whatever she wants.
You're not getting it, Shri. I'm not fighting with you. Let's find a solution. Didn't I invite my father to live with you? You also ask your mom's permission.
Huh. Like your father, my family won't be okay with this, Sindhu.
Number you are trying to reach is currently switched off. Please try again.
Hello. Auntie, I'm Satish speaking. Is Shree's at home? Actually, he didn't come to the office, that's why. Okay, Auntie. What's the problem between you? Yesterday he got drenched in rain. He's not feeling well, it seems.
Dear,
Huh?
put some hot water in this for your son.
How did you come here?
When are you coming to our house?
You first be away. I have fever.
It's okay, let it be.
Sindhu, how did you come? Where's my mom? Sindhu, leave.
Sorry, I shouldn't have shouted on you.
I should not have spoken about your dad like that.
Hey, open the door.
Oh my god.
Shri, this is our dance team first show. You and Sindhuja definitely should come. No excuses.
Show, master.
Watch else, it's okay, no?
Sure, Pops. We are in traffic. I'll call you back later.
Bye, bye, bye,
dear.
master.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Sasha.
Bye.
Yeah.
We should blame their parents. Look at their position.
Their life is like that. What can we do?
It's in our hands to change the life. Why should the children suffer?
The way you're talking, their parents should not have got married.
Just not them. Everyone. If you can't think about the kids' future, stop making one.
I understand. But our kids will not be like this on the road. They'll be in our car, Sindhu.
It's my father's car, Shri.
I buy the car and then talk. Now, what's your problem? Marriage or kids?
If this happens, that will happen.
So, what if I say no kids?
You will give up. Will your parents?
Hey, what happened?
She is thinking differently, bro. It's right only. But I am not able to accept it. The
It's,
way how we both think only is opposite, brother. How will it be fine, brother?
Then what is the problem with you? Huh?
No problem and all. She says no to wedding,
Huh?
but she wants me. Between us, whenever the fight happens, even if I ignore her, she's only trying to convince me, brother. She loves me too much, bro. But in future, all this, will it work out or not? It's very confusing.
Look here. Come to my place with Sindhu. I'll talk to her. Then why are you struggling? Everything will be okay. Bring her.
What? Shanti Akka, what's for lunch?
Our lunch is very simple.
What's that?
This is a mixture of 2-3 vegetables, you know. By that we do the sambar. If you eat this once in a week, then it is very good for your health, you know.
What, Shanti Akka? You're talking like a nurse?
I am an uneducated nurse,
Cheh,
madam.
you could have been a nurse, right?
How will I? That was my dream too. They got married me at the age of 16. After that, how do I become nurse? Time passed by taking care of children.
Wait. Don't look at me like that. Sister, now you're happy only, right?
I am very happy, sir. I have only daughter. Even she is married. We all are happy.
What if you're a nurse? You could have had a better life, right?
That is the truth. After so many years also, we couldn't live the dream we like. It will be haunting us till death.
Hey,
You have a
Huh?
pretty good house.
this. Is it? It's all her work.
Hey, baby,
Hey,
come
be
here.
quiet. I'll talk.
What's your name?
Katte Karnan.
Karthikeyan.
Oh, super. Is it a holiday today?
No, he's lying. It's holiday only for us.
Nothing like that. I haven't paid school fees. I lied about it. In order to pay school fees, I need to do different job.
That is why I say I'll go for job. But he doesn't leave me.
If you go to job, will everything be fine? Why can't you keep quiet? Leave that, dear. I need to discuss something with you. So I called you here. The
Tangraj,
thing
brother,
is that-
didn't you see the football match?
Hey, no. What happened?
Hey, it was super match. First half, no single goal.
Ah.
Second half, changed the entire match.
Is it?
You should have seen Messi's goal. You would have been happy to see that. Such a nice goal.
Don't try to convince me, Shri. I won't change. Good night.
Close the gate and go.
Tell me.
Today, Dad's dance program. Be here at 5. We'll go.
Is it today?
Did you forget?
No, I'll come.
Don't lie me. Bye.
Oh, this bill.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
When will the doctor come?
Sorry, sir. He'll be late today. Madam will come at 5.
What happened to you? Your BP seems to be very low.
She's taking tablets on her regularly.
Tablets works 25% only. Rest is in our hand. If she's under depression, BP will come down. Is there any dispute in the house?
No,
Nothing like that, doctor. Maybe I should take more care of me.
You should take care of your health, right? Kids will be busy in their own world. You can get stroke because of the BP. Don't be careless. Take care of your health. Rest other things comes later.
What happened to you, Mom?
Nothing to me, dear. I wanted to get married when I am healthy, dear. That is my dream. But what can I do for that? If the girl I show you like, you would say yes. If I sleep properly, I may get better, dear.
What happened, Mom?
Nothing, dear.
I
Your
love
first
salsa.
show,
Hello.
is it?
Yeah.
How
The
do you
posture
feel
is very
about it?
important.
Yes, sir.
You should keep your hand at the
Quite
top.
nervous.
Okay?
Oh,
Hey, Charles.
yeah.
Where is Shri?
Come,
let's
he'll
go.
join us. You carry
What
on.
are you saying? Show is going to start. Okay, come. Okay, give your best, okay? Go first.
Take, Mom. You sleep, Mom. Hello?
Where are you?
Hey, just got Mom from hospital. I'll
Hi.
come.
Don't lie me, Shri. Are you coming or not? Hello?
I'll come. Put the phone down.
Okay, wear a nice dress and come. Bye. Can't you come on time? Dad went to backstage. It's gonna start.
Let's get married. That too immediately.
Not here, Shri, please.
How much more time you require to achieve your dreams? 6 months? 1 year? My mom is not feeling well, Sindhu.
What happened?
Will you not change for me?
I asked you what happened to your mom.
How does it matter to you? As if you care about it. Imagine if my mom is in ICU today. Even then, you'll not get married to me, Sindhu.
If that happens, I'll be with you and we'll take care of her. Can't marry just because she's unwell.
I hate you.
You will never understand me, no, Shri.
What do you want me to understand? You think married with kids, nobody achieved their dreams in the world or what?
I just couldn't bear when you just told I hate you. I'm a bit emotional type. If there's a kid between us, I'll just take care of the kid. I can't pursue my dream.
Big dream. So more than your dream is important, is it? Huh?
So your mother is more important than me, right?
If you ask me, you or my mom is only important to me.
If it is between you and my dream, I choose my dream.
I'm asking you for the last time. Will you not change your decision? Hi, Kuti. When you all came? Hi, Grandpa. Oh, it's okay, you sit. Mom, I got all the grocery items, keeping them beside the TV.
Tomorrow I'm leaving Chennai, Shri. I can't make it to your marriage. That's why I came to see you for the last time.
How are you, Sindhuja?
I love you.
It's over. It's too late.
I know that. I just felt like saying it.
Take care, Sindhuja.
Oh, welcome.
Come.
How do you do?
Everything I should only do. Hey, brother, take this man. It's okay, I'll only take it. Where did this Sangraju go?
Please give that to me. Hey,
No,
please
Dad,
give
I
that to me.
want
Give that to me,
it.
please.
No.
Hey.
Did you sincerely love Shri or not? Actually, everything you left and came suddenly to the airport, that's why. I asked you. She loved me truly. Your mom. But my career, things which I liked, I always thought about myself. When she was not feeling well, I didn't come to know. She thought if I come to know, I may feel sad. She hidden that from me. In small things, the way she was showing her care, little bit also. She would have shown on her health. Unconditional love, Chels. A love without any expectations. After she left me, it hurted me. Even though I don't believe in God, I cried in front of the God to bring her back to the life. I begged in front of the God to give me one more chance to take care of her. But mistakes which are done knowingly will never get another chance, Charles. The mistake which I did, I'm thinking that you are also doing that. I taught you to lead life with freedom. But I'm scared that you live your life alone. The way I lost your mother, you don't lose your Shri.
What should I do now, Pops? Please go fast. Please. It's done. Just check on the seasoning. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Vijay,
Yes, ma'am.
what happened to the pending auditing?
Almost done, ma'am. Most probably I'll do it in a week.
We approached a couple of youngsters for our promotions,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Give the project to them
Sure,
only.
ma'am.
Make sure it's classy.
Sure.
Okay,
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Pops, shall we leave?
Yes, I'm coming.
Hello, yeah? Satish, how are you? It's been long time. Oh. Okay.
What happened?
It's Satish. She got divorced.
Don't worry about it. He'll be all right. Come, let's go.
Yeah, Pops.
Tell me, sir.
I don't know whether you know it or not. My daughter and your son were in a relationship before 3 years. From the day your son got married till today, my daughter is thinking about him only. Don't mistake me this time I'm telling about this. My daughter doesn't believe in marriages. That's why they both separated. It's my daughter's mistake only. She would have agreed for marriage. She didn't see her mother's love. That's why I raised her in modern culture. Sorry. Please forgive me. Forgive me.
What is the use of getting married on the good dates we see? I haven't seen my son laughing from that day itself. Now he's been divorced also, sir. What is it to tell to you, sir? It was nothing but just a small matter, and she got aborted herself, sir. I ruined his life by getting married him. This is all my fault. I'm regretting daily, sir. Marriage is just a word, sir. It is the connection between the both heart, isn't, sir? So we can just live the life like the daughters say. It is just that people talk around nonsense. But I don't care about it now, sir. My son's happiness is more important now. If he was here, I would have asked you to take him with you, sir. But he's missing from 3 days, sir.
From how many days you said?
From 3 days, sir.
Even my daughter is missing from 3 days.
Your ex doesn't know your worth at all.
I love you.
Papa,
Tell me.
shall we take our relationship to the next level? Marriage?
Live in? What? Did you say marriage? Sindhuja, you're making a biggest mistake. I beg you, let's not get married.
You're kidding, right? You married once and experienced, no? I also need that experience.
I'm telling you in my experience, this will be the biggest mistake that you're making. Mom!
Asking you for the last time. Will you marry me or not?